All right, next up here, first look, going to be at the brand new SPX hockey. Thanks, George. Good luck to you. And if any hockey collectors checking out the break right now, if you like what you see, feel free to join our case break later this afternoon. Gonna have a few spots still available. Link there at the chat. Should be another awesome hockey product this year from Upper Deck. All right, let's see what we got. Iginla, Tavares, and autograph Hunter Shinkaruk out of $3.99. Mark Messier. Claude Giroux, Jason Spezza, Ryan Strome, and Tyler Seguin. Dustin Brown, Jared McCann out of $7.99, Ben Bishop, and Eric Carlson. Yuri Hudler, Jonas Kemppanen, SPX rookie, Wayne Gretzky, Eric Stahl. Brent Seabrook, autograph Zach Fucal out of $3.99. Tyler Johnson and Jordan Eberle. Haha, that's great. Rick Nash, Max Pacioretty, a Connor McDavid shift change. Braden Shen. Yeah, there is a fantastic rookie class this year. Reminds me of like from Crosby, Malkin came around. Jordan Stahl, Ovechkin, Getzlaf, Crosby. And we have a Nikolai Goldobin autograph, dual jersey. Nikolai Goldobin, SPX rookie. Jamie Benn, Johnny Gaudreau, Eric Gustafson, Corey Perry. That is a sticker. Next, Grant Fuhr, Patrice Bergeron, a Matt Molson Stick Wizards, excuse me, and Blake Wheeler. All right, last pack. Brendan Gallagher, Tanner Kero, Carey Price, and Henrik Lundqvist. Okay, there's a nice batch of SPX hockey cards. Thanks everybody there checking it out, and thanks George for the break.